All right, let's get into how to draw spheres. So sometimes I've seen students when they're trying to draw a sphere, right? Spheres are just circles. When we're just talking about lines, I see them try to do this like that, right? And although that's not bad, it still kind of registers as a sphere or a circle. Once you start scaling upwards, as in making it bigger, you're gonna start to see those mistakes, right? I'm gonna start to see how those like small little imperfections. Okay, I've also seen some students doing this, and I get it, right? You want to make sure that the lines are going where you want them to go, but it ends up looking scratchy and the result is usually the same. So the method that I'm going to be teaching you guys is we're going to be breaking up the circle into quarters, as in 4 parts. Okay, so we are going to draw this cross here, and this is going to be what we're going to use to divide the circle into 4 parts. First, we're going to measure the radius, and that is the distance from the center of the circle to the very side of the circle, right? So that's our radius. We can use our fingers to measure out that radius. Lock your fingers in. If you move them, then we lose that measurement, right? So I'm going to rotate along the line here and mark that distance. Then I'm going to connect these 2 measurements here, not with a straight line, because if we do a straight line, that's going to be a diamond. We want to have a round corner here. Okay? Now, circles are symmetrical in 4 ways, right? So this side should be symmetrical to this side should be symmetrical to this side, and this side to this side, right? So we're going to take that radius again, and we're going to copy it over. And then we're going to connect the 2 again. After that, same thing. Copy the measurement over and connect the 2 sides. So here we have 1, 2, 3 parts so far. Compare them to each other. If these are good, then you don't have to fix anything. But let's say I make a mistake, right? Let's say I do that. So I don't have to erase the entire thing. I only have to erase this 1 quarter. So I'm going to take my eraser and just erase that line and connect these 2 parts using that same round corner there. Once I'm done with that, I just have to take my eraser and erase those guidelines. And there I have my circle. So that's how you would draw a circle. And I have all of these boxes here, these 8 boxes here, because I believe that you're probably gonna need to practice a bunch before you move on, okay? So don't leave these like poor circles here. Erase them if you did draw them in your box. And I want to see 8 of these circles in these boxes here, okay?